Are you having trouble logging out of Gmail on your iPhone? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I will show you how to easily log out of the Gmail app on your iPhone. I'll walk you through the process step by step, so that logging out is no longer a hassle. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. To get started, open the Apple App Store and search for Gmail. And then make sure you are using the latest version of the Gmail app. After you've done that, open up the app. Once you are on the Gmail app, make sure you are logged into the account that you want to log out of. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear. From this menu, tap where it says, Manage Accounts on this device. So now, if you want to log out of your Google account on Gmail on your iPhone, simply tap on Remove from this device. And it will show you a pop-up saying that this account and any unsaved data will be removed from Gmail and other Google apps on this device. Just tap on Remove, and it will take a couple of seconds to remove or log out your account from your device. You've now successfully logged out of Gmail on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.